Hi, my name is Steve Lange. I'm here at the Learn Build Fly Hanger. We're making a jig to flatten the ends of tubes for the control system. We made one for a 1/2-inch tube a couple weeks ago. Now we're going to make one for a 3/8 tube. So right now we're setting up to cut the slots in our die to receive the tube before bending. Slot put in now for our 3/8 tube. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut this relief here where the part actually gets flattened out. And if we put our sample piece in there, this is what it will look like when it's completed. When the two halves come together in the press, it forms this end. And then we'll drill a hole in here later on and profile this, and that'll become a rod end for a control system.